What up, friends? So hopefully I can get a little bit more time to stream this time around. Yeah, we're just working on the material for the advanced remix workshop. So right now I'm working on the create invoice route. So we can go to all these and create invoice, and if we're on this, it'll just default to the first one, which I think is a reasonable default. I don't know if we'd want to default to create new invoice, maybe. But yeah, so we're in invoices/new, then that will take us to this. So we just need to make a form. So yeah, let's make a new invoice. So let's see, a Prisma schema. Invoice needs, we won't create it with deposits. It will have line items though. It will need a customer. The number will be auto-generated. Yeah, man, I wish that it had auto increment on that. That's just what we get for using SQLite. Yeah, so then invoice date. That will, yeah, and due date. Okay, so we need due date, line items, and customer. And that's it, as far as fields. And then the line items need description, quantity, and price. That's it. Okay. So, yeah, let's just invoice, due date. Yeah, due date, customer, line items, and that's amount, description, or unit price, description, and quantity. So those, we need to make a form for this. Make a remix form for these fields. Let's see what it does. I wonder if it can make that happen. That would be sick. Here, let's co-locate it. And here, not make, but render a remix form for these things. There we go. Let's try that. New invoice. See what I can do. All right, yeah, we'll just keep going. I'll change all this stuff. Okay. Fun idea. This thing's nuts. I think there's a faster way to do this where you can say, hey, give me like a couple of suggestions, and maybe one of them would be more substantial. Boy, look at this. I said make a form, and it has yet to give me a form element. We've just messed up our AI with the way we do React. We don't do form elements. What is the deal with that? Let's just see what it does. I think I'm probably going to delete all this. Yeah, okay, it's done. Yeah, okay, well, it's not quite, I mean, we've got our line items, and our due date, and our customer. Yeah, I mean, we got all the fields. Here, I guess we do need one more of these. All right, yeah, it's not going to work because we don't have these. But I do have, I think label text is a thing. Yeah, right there. So it did know we had this thing. And a select thing. This is something that we're actually going to build. So select. Now let's just do a regular button for now. Date picker. Rats. I don't want to do a date picker. Date picker. Yeah, we'll figure out something. I'm not going to do a full date picker for this thing. We don't need an add total. We just, Actually, we don't need a total thing at all. So we've got due date, customer, and then list items. Oh, right. We do need a quantity, but let's just see what that's going to render for us. Huh. Very interesting. Date picker, due date. I mean, doesn't look bad. I'm thinking I should draw this. You're gonna do, yeah, new invoice, and then we'll have a section for the customer, and then section for the line items, plus one line item, and then create. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, and there will be like a total there. Okay, cool. So that was fun, but I'm gonna get rid of this. At least we'll do some of this. Text, desktop, H2. We'll make this an H2, because I think we may already have H1s on the page. I think that's our H1. It should be an H1. Oh, those are navs. Yeah, this should be an H1. Oh, that's an H3 styles, huh? Okay, we probably, yeah. I got this from Ryan. I don't know how that's supposed to work. So maybe a eyebrow, huh? What is that supposed to be? Font display. I don't know. That's, yeah, that's too big. Actually, let's see. What is that? Let's do that. Length 14. What is that supposed to mean? Font size. Why is it length? We'll just do that. You know, we're not teaching. Yeah, why does that keep happening? You know what?
Where do you think you're going?
Where am I going? Just going to Discord for a sec. Where's we've got a thread on this already. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, that's pretty annoying. Okay, anyway, so we've got I kind of hate the way that they did this, so we're going to get rid of all this. Okay, so we'll have a, first of all, we're going to do a form. And I don't think we'll ever have a situation where we want them in columns. I think just customer, whatever. And actually this whole thing should look very similar to this. There we go. I'm not sure we need the relative thing. Absolute, I don't think there is that, but maybe relative makes sense. Okay, sweet. Okay, so we're gonna have new invoice, and then we're gonna get the customer, and customer is just a select for the different customers, and a button that allows you to create a new one. So we'll make a div for all this, label, text, customer, and yeah, here we're gonna bring in reach UI combo box. Bing, 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 ding, ding, ding. Rel style sheet href. Yep. Oh, boo on that. Legacy pure depths. Okay. And let's figure out, how do we do combo boxes? Something like that. Choose a customer. And we're going to need some customers in here. So, actually, this is what the exercise is actually loading stuff from the client. So, let's see. I think we want to have the customers, we don't need them server rendered. So yeah, let's make a, should we do a resource route, or we could just do, like, we could just do this route. Let's start with just this route, and use a query param. No, that's not going to work. Yeah, that wouldn't work. Okay. You can't use fetcher on a route that has UI. Otherwise, you'll get HTML back. Yeah. Yeah, we could do an action, but so then it would be like a post. Yeah, that actually seems like not too bad of an idea. So export const action function. Sure, except we don't have a response thing. Yeah, okay. Okay, I just gotta test something out really quick. So then if I say new ... invoice, I get live reload. But then if I do foo, then it busts. Well, no, that's not gonna work. We gotta do a different, or no, actually now, if I refresh, still trying to figure out how the reproduction steps. Huh. That's a syntax error.
Halfway.
Let me save it again. I don't know. But I'm supposed to be halfway done with this thing, and I don't think I am even close. So I'm going to update this. We're going to say this is going to be another hour and a half. Ugh, man, I do not have time to take an hour and a half on this thing. Ah! Okay. And actually, I think he's got client-side search. Server-side search, that's what we're looking for. I bet this is dead, but this code is what I need. Either that or it was slow. Wonder what's happening here. Failed to fetch. Yeah, cores. Okay, well, whatever. Yeah, okay, that's simple enough. So here we're gonna say, actually, let's also make sure that do the same require user whatever stuff here. Nope. Okay. Okay. Got to keep track of when live reload stops working so I can figure out why that's happening. Okay, so sorry, I'm trying to figure out a couple things at once. Let's focus. So we're gonna have a use fetcher that as the user's typing, we say, okay, go fetch. It'll do a post, and it'll post the query, and maybe also the intent. Ah, goodness, keep on getting distracted. Okay. So we're gonna need to get the form body, and let's require the user here also. Oh, somebody's knocking on my door. The kids got home and they forgot Dad's working. I'll be right back. Okay. So we're going to await request. We gotta teach Copilot the web platform. This will be form data actually, data. And let's get our intent from form data, get intent. And if intent is customer search otherwise, yeah, return JSON or throw, or yeah, return JSON unsupported intent. So that's a new response, is what I meant to say. $4,000. There we go. Okay, so if our intent is customer search, oh, I need to do that. Okay, we're going to say Prisma, or actually let's make a customer server TS. Export function, search customers query string, and yeah, how do you do a search in Prisma? Prisma search. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh goodness. Prisma. Full text search. Yeah, Postgres. Probably not SQLite. We'll probably just have to read all the customers and do our own search, which is fine for this demo. It's not a big deal. Yeah, bummer. Okay. Well, what's the API look like anyway? Search. Let me look at where the WebSocket is created. Server? Compiler? Probably not compiler. Oh, it's probably not there either, but let's just get over here. Config, compiler. Why is prettier in the node modules? Yeah, I have an idea where it might be that way. Okay, anyway, let's do a search, find in folder, WebSocket. Nope, you're not gonna, no results, huh? WS? Oh goodness, all right, remix. Packages, where are we? Packages, remix dev. Commands, here we go. Commands in CLI. Broadcast, there, server delay. Go ahead and send. Trying to figure out why this is WebSocket close. Okay, well, that's the only places it's used. Start it up and see what happens. Okay, 8002, there it is. So that seems correct. Alright, coming back here. Yeah, so we need search customers. Const customers equals await Prisma. That customers. Oh, that's not what we want. Import Prisma from DB server. Customer. Find many. And then just filter customers by their name. And what do we need? We just need their name and their ID. Maybe their email too, I guess. So select ID true, name true, email true. Okay, and then return customers dot filter. Yep. Lower query to lowercase. Or c dot email includes lower query. Yep. Okay, so then search customers, get search, search term, invariant. Okay, cool. So then here, yeah, when we're all done, we are going to want to make this a resource route because part of the exercise is showing you how you can make a UI component and resource route combo. You can just send, well, maybe, we'll see. I don't know. We'll leave it as it is. Let's make a function customer combo box. And we'll move all this stuff down in there. So they have, we really want to do basically this. Dot submit. And then it's, what do we call it? Search term. Let's change this to query. Okay. This actually might work. That would be nuts. Okay. Alright, let's look at, maybe it didn't refresh. Yeah, okay. So let's see. Sent back nothing. I'm getting a phone call. Going on break. we're back.
Welcome back to Flow.
Thanks, Noah. Okay. Yeah, let's proceed. Where were we? I feel like I've lost track and now I'm lost. What do I do?
You're doing so great. Don't stop now.
Yeah, I know I'm doing great. You know what? I want to flow with other folks. We're gonna invite some folks to flow.
Stay mindful, focused, and in flow. Don't let distractions claim your attention.
I know. I'm talking about how great you are. Gee whiz. All right. And yeah, okay. Oh, actually, you know what I should do? I'm gonna share this on the Remix Discord. Okay, cool. Now we can move on to working again. And I forgot to share that I was streaming. Sorry, almost done. I want this actually. Here we go. Whoops, that was a mistake. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. So, it's got a dot length somewhere that it doesn't like, customers dot length. Yeah, because this is not getting us back anything. Let's just look at that. Customer fetcher. We've got nothing in there. You got a submit thing. Oh, we need to also do, this is probably why it's not working. Method. Post. There we go. Bing, 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 Okay, and then I say, booyah! Oh my gosh. Man, that's so cool. Who knows what that was all about? Santa. Yeah, cool. Let's see how this behaves on a slow network. Freaking A. Remix is so good. Even on a slow network, my friends, this is nuts. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's cool. All right, that's good enough. We could probably add some throttling maybe, but yeah, this is so cool. Look at all the things I'm not doing. Man, that's nuts. Doom, 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 doom. Actually, let's see what if I do that. Yeah, it'll flash a bunch. Yeah, let's go back. Once we have something, we'll show it all. Okay, cool. So then customers is that or undefined. And that's Ryan's handiwork, or maybe Chance, but I like to be more explicit. Okay, cool. So now let's go to our login, because we've got some inputs here. I have class names and stuff. Thinking I'm going to copy paste this for now. Nice. Okay, good. All right, so anyway, we've got, I just keep on thinking about other stuff. Combo box option text, what is this?
You're halfway through.
Yeah, okay. Cool. Got a lot of power and flexibility, but we're not going to use much of it. Okay, so what do we have left? Due date, Yeah, probably be good. Kind of thinking the customer and due date could be side by side. How wide is it? Nah, no. I'll just have due date on the next line. And let's do method post button. Let's go to our login here. Intent create. Okay, so this is going to be due date and HTML date picker. I think you just say input type date. Yeah. Thanks, W3 Schools. Okay. Gonna copy this thing. Input type date. Name due date value. We don't need the value. We do need a name on this though. So when I select, oh, let's see. Yeah, more like a select than an input. Select on, click. It says it defaults to false, but I would. Oh. Oh, I see. So select on click means I click on this and it selects all of it. Yeah, that makes sense. On select. I need the value. Yeah, okay, here we go. Customer.id. That's what I want. Combo box option. That is not what I want, but value children. Okay, there we go. That's what we want. Okay. Got a little typo there. Value customer.id and then I need the value of the input to be the ID, but what's displayed to be This is not right. All right, let's, I feel like I'm just missing something really obvious, but maybe not. Combo box value different from display. Let's just see what those say. Okay, yes, this is what I want. Yeah, data, sort of. Yeah, this isn't gonna work for what I want. Yeah, same issue. Yeah, it's not what I need. Okay, well, dang it. Well, okay, the easiest way to do this, I guess. See, the value is that. I don't want it to be that. I want it to be the ID. But it's the input. Yeah, that makes sense. So I need what's displayed to be different from what's selected. Okay, well, here's what we're gonna do then. Selected customer React use state. Let's just do use state. Everybody's telling me I should just use state. What are you complaining about? Oh. Okay, and then on select. Oh, great. Huh. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's super annoying. Huh. I mean, I like this one a lot other than that. Making me want to go grab downshift. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna have to do. Or maybe I should just grab downshift. Oh, that's right. It was a PayPal project. It was never on mine. We're not going to get a redirect. Okay. Yeah, what we really need is a select. So that makes the most sense anyway. No, we don't want to select. No. We do want a combo box. Yeah. Yep, okay. Sorry, Ryan. We're using downshift. Yeah. It's kind of a bummer because it's already styled and stuff, but we can style something ourselves. It's fine. All right. So use select. Oh, come on. Use combo box. Use combo box. Oh, man. Item to string. There it is. This is for Yep, there we go. This is complaining because we're missing stuff, I'm guessing. Yep, items. Hmm. On input value change. Changes, that's right. Okay. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, cool. So then yeah, we've got our label props and stuff too. So we will change this slightly. Before it was just the combo box. Now we need the label too, which makes total sense because we want to label it anyway. So combo box styles, what is that coming from? Yeah, okay. We can get that later. Okay, and this is customer name, email. Okay, well, let's see what happens. Oh, I forgot, I stopped it. Cool. Well, it works. Just isn't styled nice. Choose an element. Yeah, let's do... Okay, and then we also have Item to string, state reducer. Isn't there a display thing? Display. Pretty sure. I could have sworn that I had a way to display something different. Well, if I don't, well, but the benefit is that downshift has a way for you to yeah, let's see. Yeah, okay, anyway. Yeah, the item to string, that works. I was going to do something. It could also be undefined. Okay, fine. Good. Okay, great. So then come over here. We're like Ocean Avenue. And we've got a hidden input that has the value for our customer. There we go. Okay, cool. So that's what we're going to do. So we don't have to do the weird lookup stuff. I'm going to put that note in here. Sorry, Ryan, using, I hope probably noticed this right here. Sorry, Ryan, I was going to use reach combo box, but ran into this issue. And it's the okay, now Ryan can't get mad. Yeah, this is still good. It ain't bad. Alright, now we just need to style it. So that looks good at least. This, we want to put, actually we're not going to have that. It doesn't make any sense if you don't have anything in the search input. And then our menu. All right, it's open, but we don't have any customers. Ugh. Oh, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's going on? Oh, you gotta be joking. Good grief. Well, this is our opportunity to say use ID. There we go. Should work. Freaking A. Oh, what a joke. Okay. It works. Okay, so why are we not? Yeah, because I messed that up. Let's do this instead. Okay, there we go. So now, sorry, just realized, yep. Yeah, see, this is so great. Did you know that when you're using a downshift component, you can actually hold the shift key and it will skip 5. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's kind of interesting. Okay, anyway, so what I want to do is make this menu float. And I'm going to borrow the demo. Try it out in the browser. Code Sandbox. My goodness, Travis YAML. Holy smokes. This was created some time ago. Oh, we don't have any nice styles on this thing.
Your break is coming up. Begin to come out of flow.
Shared. Where's shared? Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. I feel like this is a world away. It's crazy. Doesn't even work anymore.
Take a break.
Yeah, okay, I will. I'll be back in 5. Okay, Noah just said I need to get ready to flow again, and I am here for it. So we're gonna flow again. Yeah. That colon thing is really bugging me out, but I guess it works technically, so sure. Why do they do the colon? Okay, whatever.
Welcome back.
Thank you, Noah. So we're just gonna borrow some of this. Yeah, okay. Just gonna borrow some of this stuff for our styles. Yeah, let's see here. Double check my remix config. It ignores CSS, so that's good. I'm gonna say new.css. And this will be our customer menu. And hold on a second. I don't need regular CSS. Who am I? We've got Tailwind, for goodness sake. Okay. Class name. Sure. What's that going to do for me? Well, all right. That's something. We're going to make this. Need to put something here. Div class name relative. We're going to get rid of this. Yep, okay, we lost it. Okay, what was I supposed to do? I put a bunch of console logs. Huh. Do I still have that open somewhere? No. Remix or node remix dev. What was it? CLI commands. Interestingly, it looks like the client is trying to connect to a new WebSocket port. It starts out at the default 8002, but then when this happens, it looks like it's trying a different one for some weird reason. Yeah. Huh, I wonder why that's happening. Okay, anyway, that looks good. Let's do a little bit more work on this thing. For each of these items. Class name. We're gonna do, we want probably some padding on those. Let's get some inspiration. What do we do with the items in here? Yeah, we pointer the cursor, that makes sense. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Y, px, other 2, maybe, and let's just see what that does. If it's highlighted, then background. Ding, 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 ding. Look at all these fun colors. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Sure hate that. Bum, 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 bum. Let's add a border on this thing. Why is it not completing for me? Huh. Oh, because I don't have border, that's why. And we don't want rounded for the top. We just want rounded for the bottom. For radius, whoops. Huh. Okay, tailwind. You got me. Radius. All right, there's gotta be a nice way to, here we go. Rounded bottom. Yeah, okay. Coolio, and we want that for the input. We just want rounded top. Yeah, nice. And then for top, none. Border T0. Actually, we want the bottom to be 0. Actually, no, we want that. There we go. That looks nice. At least when it's open, it looks nice. If we say open it is not true, then we need to fix that. So, we're gonna CLSX. Yep, that's what we want. So make things a little easier. There we go. Okay, border top 0 if it's open. Actually, we just never have a border top. Yeah, I have a feeling we're going to have something there, but not right now. For input, is open, or is open. This will have rounded T. Or here, rounded B 0. Will that work? No, let's not get into clashes and stuff. So this will be rounded T, or no, B 0 if it's open. Otherwise, it'll just be rounded. All right, here we go. Let's see what that does. Okay, so there is something funny there because we're still displaying this thing. And height 0. That's not going to do it. Visibility hidden. That's what we want. Huh. Oh, if not, there we go. There we go. Okay, our the outline is not respecting our border radius. Boo, that's not good. So we could say outline none, maybe? I don't know if that's how that is. When it was open, yeah, we want rounded T and rounded B 0. That's right. See, that looks nice, but then if we don't have an outline none, because we shouldn't, outline border radius CSS. Remove. I think this is a user agent thing. Because if we try this with Firefox, oh man, computer, better get ready. We're booting up Firefox. So, oh, well, Firefox looks like it's rounding everything too. Run. Okay, no, Firefox is cool with it. That's good enough for me. I don't have time to spend on this. Cool, okay, good. I feel pretty good about this. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah, we probably better do a max height on that thing. Because if we had a lot of these, 7, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, we don't want to have a ton of these. So, we'll set a max height on the menu. To 200 pixels. All right, and then overflow scroll. Let's do 180. Cool. All right, now let's do real customers. Oh, because it's actually open right now. Am I controlling as open? Yeah, I am. So not only if it's open, display menu. Yes, that's what I want. Here we go. Cool. Okay, and then that we switched. Yeah, because this is undefined. So this needs to be or empty string. Cool. Okay. Whew. Well, that's something we're going to be doing a lot of, so. Okay. Man, I got to stand. My clock says I have 12 minutes left. Well, that was definitely the hardest part. And look, I don't need a date picker thing. Heck yeah. We'll just use the platform, baby. Okay, we're going to say class name flex row and gap for... I definitely meant column. Let's do gap 5. Is gap 5 a thing? Gap 5? We'll see. Yeah, no, we want 6. No, definitely 6. There we go. No, that's too much. 4 is right. And let's put a come on. What if we don't put anything on there? Yeah, we'll just leave it right there. That's good. Okay, cool. So, and then we want margin bottom to be 6. Nope, that's too much. 4. All right, cool. So now we've got our due date, our customer, and now our line items. And so this is where we're going to get into some state. Here, let's make a line items thing. Fine. Line items. Return. Yeah, okay. So I know there are a lot of solutions to this, but when you have a number like infinite.
Just 10 minutes to go.
Just 10 minutes. Yeah, this is not happening in 10 minutes. Maybe 30. Probably 30. We can probably do this in 30. Wait, we're in trouble, man. We gotta finish so much stuff. Whew, okay, yeah. But, I mean, it's gonna be great. People are gonna go nuts. Yeah, okay, so... couple options here. We're already not going to work without JavaScript, that's for sure. So we don't need to worry too much about working without JavaScript. But it would be nice if we just did. So one idea I had was a hidden input that just like is the JSON stringified version of all the selections and stuff, but that seems like that would not work very well. So instead, what we'll do is we will do the URL encoded thing. Yeah, so if we do okay, we'll see where we get to with that later. So let's get our and our line items are going to have unit price, quantity, and description. Unit price, quantity, number, script. And here, let's do there we go. We can at least associate these two. Okay, quantity 1. Okay, and then we'll say line items map. Field set. Is that like a thing? Why is this complaining? Because we don't have any fields, maybe? Label, text. Quantity. You know what? We don't need the field stuff. We just need the count of line items. Yeah. Line item count. Okay, so why is this complaining? Key prop. Yeah. That's probably good. There we go. Let's do that one. Whoops. I don't know why, but I just prefer this to be in a string with pixels. Yeah, this isn't going to work. We need to have a way to remove a specific index. So instead of a count, we're going to have an array that we keep adding to, or maybe an object. And we just delete each one from the object. We'll have to figure that out. Okay. Line items. symbol. Key needs a string. Just like, it doesn't need to be anything special. I just need some sort of random ID. Just do numbers, I guess. Just be clear that's a client ID. And then here, when we add one, you can get rid of this. Yeah, all right, that works. Nope, that won't work. Dang it, because we're going to remove things in the middle. Yeah. Last. I would have done slice -1, 0. But you know what? That makes more sense. There we go. So that's how we add it. And then we remove it. Yep. This should be eyes. All right, here we go. Yeah, all right. Let's see what happens. All right. Probably at least get input class names on there. Okay, hold on a second, my kids are knocking. They were pulling the whole, Mom said no, maybe we'll ask Dad and he'll say yes trick. That doesn't work. We always know. Okay, so I was looking for this here. I'm gonna apply that to our inputs. We'll dry this up later. And W full is probably not going to work here. We are going to want to round that. And we will want these to be, kind of thinking I want it to be a single row. So quantity, unit price, description. Is that too short or too? Not sure that's going to work. I just messed up something. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we need to label this thing. Actually, label due date. Whoops. So, yeah, we need flex for these three, and then it'll just be one on top of the other. Yeah, that's what's. Okay, yep, and then this will go in there. And we'll take all of these, put them in there. Okay, let's see what that does. Yep, it's kind of what I was expecting. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so if we don't do full, what decides the width on this? It's just like browser decides the width. Okay, so I'll say full, and then this one, let's get rid of that extra space. We don't need that anymore. Yeah, this one down here will be a class name flex one. No. Here, we're actually probably going to want a gap of 1. And actually quantity is going to be type number. Maybe instead of flex, this should be a grid. So we'll have units the size of the quantity. It'll be 1 unit.
Your break is
and then
coming
the
up.
unit price will be
Begin to
1
come out of
or
flow.
2 of those. And then the description will be maybe 3 of those. So that's 6 columns. Call span 1, 2, and 3. See what that does. Okay. Yep, kind of like that a little bit.
There are now 10 minutes of allocated time remaining.
And it's break time. Well, I
Take
kind
a
of
break.
Yeah. Okay, gonna take a quick break. This will be short. Oh, there we go. Clicked on a bunch of things. We figured out what the live reload thing was, so I'm going to just make a note of this really quick. If we go config, yep, process env right here. And I'm going to open up the linear for this. Jacob figured out that when we change config package JSON, like installing a dependency while the server is running, we rerun this file to and set the environment variable, which triggers getting a new port for the WebSocket server, which is why it tries to connect to a new WebSocket port. The fix is simple. Okay, cool. And actually, Logan. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Figured it out. Good news. So, this looks fine when it's this wide, but when it gets narrow, it does not look fine. So, we're going to change this for, this will just be our medium breakpoint, and then our small breakpoint will be a grid. Actually, maybe we'll do medium for this. And then our small will be flex and flex row. Yes. And in either case, we'll have a gap of 1. Will that do it? I have something wrong. Are we still at a medium breakpoint? Or did I screw that up again and columns? Yeah. Yeah, okay, so it's flex column, gap, and then is there like a, yeah, medium grid? Display grid, and then flex direction, is that what's, oh. Yeah, that shouldn't impact anything if it's not display flex. Wait a second. That shouldn't be applying. Min width 768. It is. I'm confused. This is shrinking. Did I do something weird? I think I might have. No? Why is this staying a consistent width? It's just shrinking. That is weird. Okay, well, see what happens when I do this. That actually works out. Sort of. You know what? Let's just do... Yeah, it looks better this way. Maybe actually quantity and price could be on the same thing. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna... Okay, quantity and price will be type number quantity to price. Is there a currency HTML currency input? Let's see what Stack Overflow has to say. Min one step any. What is that supposed to do? So if I don't have a step any, yeah, well, definitely prefer step any. That's interesting.
Just 2 minutes.
2 minutes? Who estimated that thing? Psh. Gonna need 30 more minutes, probably. Boy, I'm the worst at estimating. This stinks. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay, cool. Looks good enough. And then, here, let's see. Okay, so we have quantity 1 or 2, whatever, and this is apples. We'll have quantity of 1 and 333. Okay, I want to delete the weird thing. Delete that one. Cool. Then we add another one, and this will be pears. We'll have 2 of those, and or 3 of those. I don't know, 4 of those. 444. We're going to delete the pears. Okay. I just gotta double check again. Pears, 444, there are 4 of them, and I delete the apples. Cool. Yes, good news. That works. Okay, so the other thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna move the remove button to here. We're gonna put these side by side. And let's swap them. Remove line item. Cool. And then we add another one. The add button will have and then between these, I need something to cool. Great, so now the last thing is, what is that? Two children, same key. That was supposed to be impossible. Oh, last. No, that is supposed to be impossible. Last plus one. Humpty Dumpty. All right. Math.random. That's what we're doing. We're totally doing that. It's very unlikely for that to cause problems. Not impossible, just pretty darn unlikely. Okay, cool. So now the last thing I need to do is give these, here, actually, that's not the very last thing we need. HTML4. And then each of these inputs needs an ID. Line item, client ID. Okay, this one. There we go. How did I do that? Wait a second. There we go. So now let's see what the ID looks like. Yeah, and that works. Okay, cool. Generate random ID. Okay, cool. That feels better. Now the last thing is the name for all of these needs to be, well, we actually need to submit the form and see what happens. So let's get rid of this thing. Don't need that. But we do have a form that renders all those fields, so that's cool. Create invoice. Okay, this is gonna, oh, right, of course. This is gonna be first ID, use ID. Now it's happy. Oh my goodness. One second. There's a short break. Just gotta tell them, please stop knocking. Okay, oh, they are not listening. One second. Okay. just got distracted by something again. Okay. Yep, that's what happens. I get distracted and then who knows what I'm doing. Okay, so let's get it up into our action. Let's make sure our intent here is set. Here, let's also make sure all of our buttons type button. That's our submit. Okay. We've got an intent. Okay, good. So then, let's just switch on the intent. Okay, so yeah, do we have a customer ID? What do I call that? Only customer hidden name, customer ID. Okay. And yeah, sure. Nope, that's not enough. Okay, we've got quantity, unit price, description, due date. Yeah, that's the only other one, is due date. Okay. Let's just see what that looks like. Okay, here we go. So, 1, 234, the first line item, then 2, 345, the second line item, and then let's go clear out our network just in case, create invoice. Okay, cool. So then our payload, it did include all of that stuff. The response is just a redirect. And let's see what this says. Yeah, so it does include everything. So I think we're good. Because we can just say get all. Let's see, line items, let's see, line item quantities, form data, get quantity. Unit prices. And let's see what, can you do it? Yeah, you can. Okay, And then for of, or yeah, constant line items array. Ah, man. I knew I should have kept that thing. Go back. Get that for me. Where was it? It's in my, there it is. Okay, redo all the things. No, let's do for oh, oops. Goodness. Line. These should be get all. And this, I think it's all strings, so yeah. Quantity, unit price, description. I like number. I feel like somebody shared something recently where number is a bad idea and we should just use %. Or actually, I think they did plus. Yeah, if you go +1. Yeah. Plus. Yeah, let's just do that. See what TypeScript says about that. For goodness sake, that's amazing. Okay. Cool. So now we've got all of that stuff, and now we can say, wait, create invoice. Oh, we don't have a create invoice. Invoice server. Create invoice. And actually, let's look at our seed. So we're going to do something. Nope, not a customer, but we are going to do something like this. Okay. Why are you complaining? So I need to get the invoice with the greatest number. Prisma get query by greatest. Oh, come on. Is there an order by, maybe? Order by. Yeah, maybe we order by and take 1. So, largest invoice number. Oh man. They are ready for Dad to come play. 1 second. Okay. Largest invoice number. That is exactly what I want. Sweet. Oh, we don't want to find many. Find first. And in that case, we don't need to take 1. Maybe? We'll see. There's an invoice number. Why is this complaining? Yeah, that's why I had the question mark thing. Object is possibly undefined. Yeah, I know. That's why I... Whatever. We'll see. I'm sure I'm wrong, but invoice date we'll leave off. Due date. Due date. So the due date, yeah, that's perfect. Hold on a second. By the way, this is how we fix the problem. Process, UV. Here it is, right here. That was the bug. Okay. So when I create, it needs to be a date. I need to parse that into a date, or create a date out of it. Create date object out of formatted date. JavaScript. I don't want to bring in a date library just for that. Display. No, I don't want to display. I want to... Nope, that's not going to do it. Create date object out of month, day, year, month, day. JavaScript. January is month 0, December is month 11. That's right. Yeah, that's why it's so weird and confusing. So over here, due date string, due date will be due date string dot split. Why is this complaining? Oh. Parts, due date year, due date month, due date day. Due date is new date, and it's the first is the year. Yeah, year, month. So due date year -1, right? Or no? Yeah, not -1. Due date month -1. Due
5
date
minutes.
day -1, right? Okay, they're trying to do. Oh, that's. Nope, that's good. Node or new date 2022 11/31. Yep, there we go. Oh, but we want the time zone to be where's my seed as UTC? Yeah, no, that's correct, because I'm +7, I guess, right now. So yeah, this will work. Cool. Okay, 5 minutes. Maybe, probably not, but here I've got 7 minutes left before it's 5:30. So okay, so due date. We'll have the customer ID and line items. What, you're not going to combine that for me? Come on. There it is. Okay, now the only thing it's confused about is this thing. Object is possibly undefined. Yes, I realize this. Oh. I guess it's a nullish correlate. All right, whatever. We'll go with that. I don't want to spend any more time thinking about that. I'm sure I'm missing something simple. Okay, await, create invoice, due date, customer
5 minutes
ID,
left.
line items, and invoice. Here we go. We are almost there. Do you think this is going to work? I think it might. It has a pretty good chance to work. So, scooch this over. I say, Ocean Avenue, where I sat on the beach and talked with you. So, we'll say it's due May 15th. And 1 at a cost of 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1 wheel GT. Okay, here we go. Boom. Oh my gosh. Yes! That feels good. Freak, man. No state management. Just sitting around hitting the database. Freaking A, this thing is so awesome. 2004. It's right after Ocean Avenue there. Sick, dog. Man, this is so cool. I did it. I implemented create new invoice. Boom!
You finished ahead of schedule.
Not exactly. Ahead of what I thought I would do the last time I updated the schedule. Yeah, sure. This is looking funny. Yeah, that little corner right there. This needs create new invoice. Create new. No, we don't want it in there. This needs a rounded top left. There we go. No? Here, overflow hidden. No, that's not it. There it is. That hides it. I'm not sure I want that though. Kind of want it. I don't know. Yeah, actually, kind of do. Overflow hidden. And this overflow Y scroll. So then, oh, well, the whole thing's
Your
going to
break
scroll.
is coming up. Begin to come out of flow.
Probably should have a max height. See what that does. Yep, there we go. Create new invoice probably shouldn't be a part of that.
Take a break.
I don't really want to take a break right now. But I should be done with work. So, see what happens if we do this. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, if we added another one. So that way create invoice is always there. And actually, let's put a border on that. Border, come on, B4. Put gray, 200. Maybe 100. Just enough to offset it, yep. Create invoice. Boom, man, this is sick. I built that today. It's pretty cool. Just gonna share this. Okay, well, that was fun. Thanks anybody who was watching and hung out with me. It was always good. And I hope you all have a beautiful weekend. See ya.